All the great things you've heard about the Sound Ideas Sound Effects Library are true. It sounds incredible. And the world's most incredible sound effects collection is yours to appreciate on compact disc. The Sound Ideas Sound Effects Library presents you with sounds as original as the original. Within the Sound Ideas Library, there is a world of imagination. Long ambient sounds. European sounds. Sounds that perfectly recreate the moment. The emotion. The adventure. Sound Ideas offers you two distinct sound effects collections. The Series 1000, with over 3,000 original stereo sound effects on 28 compact discs, and the Series 2000, with over 2,000 all-new digitally recorded stereo sound effects on 22 compact discs. Together, these two libraries offer you more sounds than any other. Both libraries are specifically designed to work superbly on their own or in perfect harmony with each other. Imagine over 5,000 dynamic sound effects on 50 CDs ready for instant access. From trains, to a grandfather clock, to footsteps on all types of surfaces. And it's all at your fingertips with the Sound Ideas catalog. The cross-referenced alphabetical listing and the CD track and index listing gives you the proven quickest method of access to a world of sound effects. So if you want to light someone's fire, get someone's attention, or to celebrate, you can use this fast, easy-to-use guide and have a world of sound effects at your fingertips. The Sound Ideas Sound Effects Library is used by such professionals as Walt Disney Productions, Todd A.O. Glenn Sound, NBC and CBS, even musicians like Michael Jackson and Stevie Wonder. For them and hundreds of other professionals, there is nothing that comes close to the power and the glory of the world's most incredible CD sound effects library. Both the Series 1000 and 2000 libraries come in their own personal carrying cases that take up very little space and offer you quick, direct access to any sound you can imagine.
If this sounds incredible, wait till you hear how little our one-time no royalty price is. Call one of our account executives at 416-886-5000. From the U.S., you are welcome to call toll-free 1-800-387-3030. The Sound Ideas Sound Effects Library. Sounds incredible.